NerdWallet itself is a personal finance app and website that provides users with tools and resources to manage their finances, rather than a platform to directly make money. However, using NerdWallet effectively can help you make smarter financial decisions, potentially leading to more savings and income over time. Here's how you can leverage NerdWallet to improve your financial situation. Maximize credit card rewards. Use NerdWallet to compare credit cards and find ones that offer the best rewards for your spending habits. Earning cashback, travel points, or other rewards can increase your savings. Lower interest rates. Compare loans and refinancing options to lower your interest rates on existing debt. This can save you money on interest payments, freeing up funds for other uses. Improve credit score. Use NerdWallet's credit score monitoring tools to improve your credit score. A higher credit score can qualify you for better interest rates and financial products. Optimize savings. Find high-yield savings accounts through NerdWallet's comparisons to maximize the interest you earn on your savings. Investment guidance. Use NerdWallet's resources to learn about investing and find the right brokerage accounts or robo-advisors. Smart investing can grow your wealth over time. Financial planning tools. Utilize budgeting tools and financial goal-setting features to manage your money more effectively. Meeting savings goals or reducing debt can improve your financial health.